Okay, today we're going to do another unboxing. This is going to be the fourth installment of Clone Wars. So as you can tell today, we are opening part of toy. I already cut open the bottom. Go ahead and pop it open. Totally. And yes, I'm going to get a tripod to where I can record this better, but this is what you get until then. So this is a Daniel Defense 7-inch handguard. This is going to go on my AR pistol. It even says Daniel Defense on it. From everything that I can find on their website, they don't make it in a 7-inch. The closest thing that they make it in is a 9-inch and up. But again, I'm not buying the real parts on this because I can't afford it. I'd rather spend my money on other stuff. So that is the AliExpress Daniel Defense 7-inch handguard.